Hi, I'm now going to show you my recipe for almond milk, which of course I've mastered over the past 3 years since I've been making plant milk, so that's my current recipe. They've been changing over the years. What I need for this: blender, scale, blanched almonds, a bit of salt, sea salt, a little bit of sugar, and xanthan gum plus water. Okay, that's all. So I'm going to make around 2 liters of almond milk now, and for that I use around 200. So that's too much. 230 grams is fine. Somewhere around 200 grams is enough. And find blanched almonds that you like in taste. These are have a very nice aroma, taste, and they give also that taste to the milk. Okay, so first I will wash them a few times. When I do that, you will see the water changes its color. It's like when you wash the rice. It's something similar. Okay, I washed them 3 times. Now I will fill this with water. And you see, almost up to the top. Oh, that's a bit too much maybe. So let's put it on the scales. Let's see, 1,550 grams. And so yeah, it will be less than 2 liters actually, a little bit less. Fine. So now I will blend this on the Vitamix. Show that. Okay. So on the Vitamix I just choose Smoothie Program Go. Fine. Okay, so now I will run this one more time, but this time I will also add a little bit of sugar. That's enough. And a little bit of salt. Okay, and I will close it and blend again. Again using that same smoothie program. Okay, so now ready with the blending. Now this will go through this sieve, this bag, this filter bag. Okay. Now careful, don't rush it too much as it may overflow. Just press from time to time and release, and it will filter very nicely. And I will show you after that what to do with the leftovers. Don't throw it away. It's actually extremely useful, and you will make a very nice spread, vegan spread, like ricotta cheese equivalent, which my wife very much enjoys for sandwiches. Okay, so that's done with the filtering. As I told you, I will use now what's left to make a special spread. Okay, so let me transfer that somewhere. Actually, I will put it here. I will come back to it later. So now I will wash this very quickly. I just don't want any big pieces to be there, and I will put back now the already filtered milk, because I need to use the blender one more time. Okay, I put here this. I'll show you what to do with it. And now the xanthan gum. Okay, I like to put a little bit of xanthan, just really to thicken this, not to be too watery. It really gets the consistency of milk. You see that much. It's a very powerful thickener, and I certainly don't want this to be too thick. So that's about it. Now with the xanthan, you need to use a blender. So now I will put it back on first speed, the slowest, because I don't want it to produce any more foam, but at least 1 minute, maybe 1.5 minutes at one. And like this. So it will stay now for at least 1 minute. Okay, now I will continue with the spread here. So what's left I will put here. See, there's some more left in the back. You see, it's like cream cheese, like Philadelphia, just the texture of it. So why not to use it? So what I put here is again a little bit of salt and also half a lemon. That's half a lemon. Okay, and that's it. Now mix this very well, and your cheese is ready. Just try it on salt, whether it is okay or needs more salt. Oh, it's fine. When you add the lemon, it really tastes like cheese, like well fermented cheese. Okay, and put it in a jar or somewhere. Eat it. Fine. So in the meantime, the milk is ready. I just transfer it in a bottle. Of course, there will be some more left. You see, just wonderful, wonderful product. Amazing texture, like full fat milk, but the taste is just phenomenal. Okay, one bottle done, and the rest you can use for also not only for drinks and smoothies, but also for cooking. You can do, for example, yesterday we had a cream that you use starch with different flavors, and this instead of milk. Heat it quickly, then it's a very nice dessert. Let me also have one. As you see the texture, very smooth, very creamy. Extremely tasty. And that's why the choice of your almonds is very important. These almonds taste very nice. You see there, this is the brand from Amazon, Zane. Okay. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you next time. Bye.